Good morning and welcome to the channel. Now we are solving 1 upon x minus 2x plus y plus 1 upon 2x minus y minus 1 upon 4x square minus y square. Okay, to solve this we'll take the LCM first and we can write the expression 2x plus y in the denominator 2x minus y, and we can write 4x square minus y square. Okay, now we'll multiply this with 1 and we're left with 2x minus y into 4x square minus y square, then this plus, and we'll multiply this expression with this and we'll be left with 2x plus y into 4x square minus y square, and then minus this minus, and we will multiply this with 1 and we're left with 2x plus y into 2x minus y. Okay, now we simplify the denominator and we can write this as 2 4 2s are 8 into x cube, and then minus 2xy square, and then minus 4x square y, and then plus minus minus plus will be having x cube y cube plus 4 to the 8 x cube, and then we'll be having minus 2xy square, and then we'll be having plus 4x square y, and then we'll be having minus y cube, and now we'll be having 2 to the 4 x square minus, because of this minus, plus 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 and then minus, and then we'll be having 2xy, this is minus plus minus and then minus minus plus, and then we'll be having 2xy plus 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 and then minus minus, and we'll be having minus plus minus and minus minus plus y square, right, upon we'll be having 2x plus y into 2x minus y into 4x square minus y square, and now we'll see what we can cancel out. So we can write as 16x cube, right, and 2xy square, and we'll be having minus 2xy square, so it will become 4xy square. Okay, so we can write it as minus 4x y square. So now minus 4x square y plus 4x square y cancel out. Now plus y cube and minus y cube, and now we have x square, so we can write it minus 4x square and then we'll be having 2xy plus minus cancel out, and then we will be having y square. Now 2x plus y into 2x minus y into 4x square minus y square. Okay, so now we can take the common 4x, so we'll be having 4 for the 16 x square minus y square, right? And then we'll be having minus 1 common, so we'll be having x square minus y square divided by, now we know that this is equals to a plus b into a minus b, which is equals to a square minus b square. So we can write this as 4x square minus y square into 4x square minus y square. So now we can take 4x square minus y square common, 4x square minus y square common, and we will be having 4x minus 1 divided by 4x square minus y square into 4x square minus y square. So we can cancel out 4x square minus y square, and we left with 4x minus 1 upon 4x square minus y square. Thank you for watching.